so independent, they gon'.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, y'all, I moved in my first apartment. I'm so happy, y'all. I'm gonna give y'all a little quick little tour of my apartment. Yesterday was the 30th. I moved in yesterday. I wanted to record yesterday, but I had no chance to because I was trying to get stuff done. But I'm gonna show y'all my apartment today, and then I canceled makeup appointments too until next week, and this weekend I'm gonna try to go look for some furniture, so I probably include that in house tour vlog too. But yeah, I've been looking at furniture, y'all. It's like I know what I want, I know my color scheme, and I'm just gonna go get it. And yeah, I'm so happy, y'all. Like, I thank God. And another thing, this is what I want to thank God for this, because without God, I wouldn't have none of this. Like, all praise to God. Like, I wouldn't have nothing. Like, I thank God. They called me unexpectedly, but it's like the night I prayed before, and then it actually happened. They called me the next day. So yeah, I'm just gonna give y'all a quick little tour of my apartment. And then, like I said, I'm gonna include when I go shopping this weekend in this video. So make sure you comment down below, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. So this is my front door. As y'all can see, this is my front door, or whatever. This is the living room also. Y'all, excuse the mess. Well, it ain't really messy, but I got stuff everywhere. But this is my living room. And this side gonna be like my makeup area. Like, I'm gonna put those flowers like up here. And then I got this little makeup organizer drawer. And I'm gonna put it in the middle and have my makeup in there and everything. And I got these flowers from AliExpress. It's four of them. Yep. I had to get it to match the chairs. Yeah. So moving on to the kitchen. So this is my kitchen. Excuse the mess on the counter. I got chargers and stuff. I'm gonna start this way. And this is my back door. But this is my kitchen. Microwave, stove, cabinets, details. I ain't really got nothing in the cabinets. I gotta go grocery shopping this weekend. And y'all, I had got this sign from Walmart. I thought it was just so cute. Like, it was so cute. And this is my refrigerator. I ain't really got nothing in there, y'all. I gotta go grocery shopping this week. Yeah. This motherfucker I want to open. But this is my refrigerator. Yeah, I gotta go grocery shopping. And this was, I guess this is supposed to be like the little dining area. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. I might just leave it like this, because I don't think I really need no dining table, because I eat in my room. You know, eat in my room and stuff like that, or in the living room. I don't need all that. But yeah, this is the kitchen. Excuse them brushes over there. I gotta finish washing them. But these is my cabinets. And I got some plates. Yeah, don't sleep on Dollar Tree, because I got everything from Dollar Tree except these two. These was like 50 cents, or they were like 50 cents at Walmart. These little plastic plates. Y'all be sleeping. Y'all be sleeping on the good stuff. They be having good stuff for the cheap. And I got a little few cups up here. Not a lot, because it's just me really. And then I got the little sign right here. I'm gonna actually move this on top of my makeup little dresser thing. So, and then my garbage. And then I have a closet right here. This is the closet. And then I'm trying to see if I want to show y'all the bathroom because it's furnished. But forget, I'm gonna show y'all. But this is like my hallway, like, and this is the bathroom. Yeah, I didn't do much to my bathroom, but this is my bathroom shower curtain. I ordered this off AliExpress for cheap. And I also have this picture. I ordered this off AliExpress. I feel like this picture just give me bougie vibes, but it's like real cute and classy, like, you know. And then I got some stuff, tissue, Febreze, and smell good stuff. And then this is my mirror, toothbrush, not too much, yeah. Then I got a mirror right here. And I got some little stuff down there, extra stuff. And then my garbage over here. And then, y'all, I ordered this rug. See, on the camera, it probably looked dirty. But when I first got it, it wasn't dirty. But, you know, I've been stepping on it or whatever. I probably just changed this to black. Just get black instead of this pink because it's getting, like, real dirty. So, I'm just gonna, yeah, I'm just gonna get something else. And this is my little closet. And I got some stuff in here. Some little stuff. I'ma actually change this. I'ma actually change, cause this is actually my whole bed set. But I'ma actually change this into my room, like this comforter, and put it in my new bed, cause I already got one for this bed, but I had to wash it, so yeah. And then I got a little TV right here. I'm gonna have to get like a little stand, but I don't know if I want to get like a stand or a dresser. And this is the closet. Nice closet. And then I have another closet in my hallway also. Oh yeah, this the sheet that's gonna go on this bed, the blue one. And when I get my bed, my new bed, I'm gonna put that sheet in my room. But this is the closet. And this is my room, period. If y'all watch, y'all know, anybody that watch me, y'all know this was in my room, in my old room. And y'all see it like in my background or whatever. But I'm gonna hang this picture up probably right here on this wall. I'm not sure, y'all. And then I got some stuff right here. I want to show y'all the closet, but I'm gonna show y'all the closet, but I ain't gonna show y'all the floor because I gotta like clean it up. So I'm just show y'all the closet. I gotta organize it better than this. But yeah. Also look, y'all. So when I close it and I open it, actually the light comes on by itself when I open it. Open the door. Yep, I'm so happy. I hope I showed y'all everything. Got my little thermostat. Got this light off. But yep, let me show y'all this part. This like where I'm standing at is the hallway, but this is my living room right here. I love these floors though. Like, so when I get my furniture, I just don't know. I think I'm gonna put it on this wall right here. Put a TV right here. makeup area right here. Probably. Yeah. So this is it. Mind my little thing, cause y'all know y'all see the little pink thing. But this is it. This is my apartment.